kids, today our topic is preposition. Preposition is a word that used to link noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. Let's understand preposition with some examples. Cat is on the table. Cat is under the table. Can you find where is the cat? Cat is in the box. Cat is in front of the table. Cat is behind the table. Cat is beside the table. Cat is between the table. Now let's repeat with me. On, under, in. Behind, in front, beside. Between. Thanks for watching.